This video will address several common core state standards. First grade numbers on operations base 10. 1. Count to 120, starting at any number less than 120. In this range, read and write numerals and represent a number of objects with a written numeral. Numbers in operations base 10. 2. Understand that the two digits of a two-digit number represent amounts of tens and ones. Second grade numbers in operations base 10. 1. Understand that the three digits of a three-digit number represent amounts of hundreds, tens, and ones. Numbers in operations base 10. 5. Fluently add and subtract within 100 using strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and/or the relationship between addition and subtraction. This activity involves students counting up to 100 and trading in 10 ones for 1 10 and 10 tens for 100. It can also involve students in removing amounts from 100, which would require students to regroup from hundreds to tens and tens to one. This helps students see that grouping by tens is a useful and fast way of counting. For this activity, you will need small manipulatives for counting. You could use the single beans, small cups of 10 beans, and the larger cup with 100 beans made from the bean counting activity. You will also need a place value mat for each student, dice for every group of 2, and sentence frames written out on a card. I will be showing you how a single player would play, but it could be played with more than one student. Start by rolling the dice. 3, so I need 3. Then I roll again. 9, so I need 9. Now I have a total of 13. Whenever I have a total of more than 10 in the ones column, I need to trade those 10 for a group of 10. Rolling and counting and trading continues until the student reaches 100. I rolled a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I don't need to trade. Now I rolled a 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11. That's more than 10. So I have to trade in 10 for a group of 10. Now I have 21. Then they roll again. Once the student reaches 100, the game is over. But you could differentiate for those students who have mastered adding to 100 by making the game be subtracting to 0. Use one dice. I've rolled a 5, so I'd have to unbundle a group of 10 and remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5 ones and 9 tens. So these tens would go into this column. I have 95 left. I roll again. I have 4. I can take 4 away right from here. This leaves me with 91. Now I need to take away 2. I don't have 2 ones, so I have to unbundle a 10. I remove 2 of those, leaving me with 8, 9. So now I have 89. Students play until all the beans are gone and they've reached 0. That's it. Happy stationing.